Leslie Jordan, Will and Grace actor, dies at 67. His witty Instagram posts made him a social media sensation during the pandemic. Los Angeles, Leslie Jordan, who won an Emmy playing the conniving Beverly Leslie on Will and Grace and became a social media sensation during the pandemic, died Monday after he crashed his car into a tree in Hollywood, his agent said. The world is definitely a much darker place today without the love and light of Leslie Jordan, David Shaul said. Not only was he a mega talent and joy to work with, but he provided an emotional sanctuary to the nation at one of its most difficult times. Jordan, 67, was pronounced dead at the scene around 9:30 a.m. Pacific time after firefighters responding to reports of a collision at Cahuenga Boulevard and Romaine Street found him, pulseless and non-breathing, in a gray sedan, authorities said. His agent said it is suspected that Jordan suffered some sort of medical emergency that caused him to lose control of the vehicle. Born April 29, 1955, in Chattanooga, Tennessee, the diminutive Jordan, he was 4'11", carved out a thriving career on the small screen playing small but often seen stealing roles on shows from Murphy Brown and Boston Public to Star Trek, Voyage, American Horror Story, and Hearts of Fire. But he was best known to television audiences as Beverly Leslie, the nemesis of the Karen Walker character played by Megan Mullally, who comes out as gay in one of the show's most memorable episodes. Declaring Jordan, who was openly gay, a national treasure, the Society of LGBTQ Entertainment Critics last year awarded him its Timeless Star Career Achievement honor. During the pandemic, Jordan's Instagram posts, which he filed twice daily from an Airbnb near his mother's house in Chattanooga, made him famous to a new generation of fans. "What are y'all doing?" Jordan would typically begin before launching into his often hilarious ruminations, delivered in a thick southern drawl, on life in lockdown. Jordan appeared to be as surprised as anyone that a big chunk of America was following him. "I didn't realize he had blown up until last night when everybody started calling me telling me you've gone viral," Jordan told NBC's Today show in March 2020. "I don't really even know what that means." Jordan's videos caught the attention of cultural critics like Brian Moylan. Jordan is one of the true stars of the lockdown, amassing more than 3.8 million Instagram followers in a little over a month, Moylan wrote in an April 2020 piece for NBC News Think section. Jordan parlayed his newfound fame to release a gospel album called Company's Comin', which featured Dolly Parton, Chris Stapleton, Brandi Carlile, Eddie Vedder and Tanya Tucker. Jordan also published a book called How Y'all Doing? Misadventures and Mischief from a Life Well Lived. His first book, My Trip Down the Pink Carpet, published in 2008, chronicled his early days in Hollywood and his struggles with substance abuse. That sort of dealt with all the angst and growing up gay in the Baptist church and Jordan said in an Associated Press interview last year. Diana Dosrath reported from Los Angeles and Corky Siamazco from New York.